Hi everyone. This is something I have been meaning to share for a long time. But to be honest, I have felt a certain discomfort speaking about it because it requires some deep corrections, not just in understanding but in action. Many of you say you are waiting for the event. You want it to begin. And yes, many of you agreed at the soul level to anchor the event flash energy through your physical body. It's part of your soul mission. But have you ever asked yourself, are you truly prepared to hold that energy? To anchor the flash energy, your physical body must be able to carry a high intensity of goddess energy. When your physical vessel is aligned, your energy bodies naturally follow. So, let's talk about one basic but powerful way to build that alignment. Do the Goddess Vortex meditation every day at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time for just 7 minutes. That's all it takes to begin tuning your body to divine frequencies. Now ask yourself honestly, if you can't give 7 minutes a day to align with goddess energy, how can your body handle the high frequency of flash energy? If you are not in tune with it, how can you expect to anchor it? When you agreed at the soul level to be an anchor, it was with the intention to evolve rapidly. But are you living that purpose? What you designed and what you are doing are not aligned. That's the real issue. Flash energy has its own consciousness, understanding, common sense also. It will not descend into a vessel that isn't ready. So it waits patiently for you to awaken, raise your frequency, and prepare your physical body. Now, do you see why there is delay in the event? Do you realize who is truly responsible for your soul's progress and the current state of Earth? Time is not just ticking. Decades have passed. If you feel like you are different from the crowd, if you feel you are part of the 144,000, then the time is now. Make the commitment to practice the Goddess Vortex meditation daily, even if not at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time, then at any other time. Something is better than nothing. Don't say you are too busy. Don't say you don't have 7 minutes. We all sleep. We all waste time. Just to take those 7 minutes and align yourself with your mission. I hesitated to speak up until now, not knowing how it would be received. But I truly feel this is the right moment. Links to the guided meditation in English and Hindi are given in the description box below. Do your part, not just for yourself, but for planetary evolution. Victory of the Goddess manifests through you. Let's rise together.